Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm just going to do a simple office refresh. We went out to IKEA and got some Billy bookcase shelves so I can put them on the side of the windows in the office. I will leave a link to these bookcases in the description box. And we didn't do anything too drastic because honestly, guys, I really don't know how I want to do the office. I don't know which way I want to go. So for now, I'm just doing some simple things. And maybe once I put the bookshelves up, it will give me some inspiration for what I really want to do with this office. So for now, we're just gonna move my desk around and just, give me a different feeling in here. So hopefully that will help. So that's exactly why I called it just a simple office refresh. And these bookshelves were pretty easy to put together. My husband did put one shelf on backwards, so we had to take it apart and then put it back together again. The bookshelves are 93 inches tall. So what we had to do is get the traditional bookshelves, and I think they were 79 inches, I believe, and then there was another piece that was added onto the top that made it 93 inches. So while you guys are watching this, if you are new to my channel, please go ahead and consider hitting the subscribe button so you won't miss any uploads from me. So you see how I had to put that top piece on there to make it a little taller. Because the ceilings in this office, they are, I believe they are 18 feet. 18 to 20, don't quote me on that. So everything that I put in here, it needs to be tall. That's why it's so hard for me to decorate or come up with the ideal of what I want to do in here. So I will, of course, do that at a later date. But for now, I'm just going to use what I have already. And I'm just going to make it work. Because I do not want those black chairs. I just, you know, that's just not the look I'm going for. I must say, putting those shelves in the office made a big difference to how the office felt when I was in there. When I added some items on the shelves, it just made it look more lived in. Because before that, the office gave me maybe a cold feeling, just because there's nothing up on the walls. I just have that one picture on the wall there, and I got that from Hobby Lobby, and that picture was $25. Normally it was $200. I found that in the clearance section. I may even redo that picture and just add my own twist to it. But I don't want to hang up things in the office until I nail down what I really want to do to the office. I got that desk from IKEA also, and I will put that in the description box. That file cabinet, that's actually a file cabinet that he's pushing up under there. It was black. I believe I got it from Walmart, and I painted it white just so it can kind of go with the table a little bit more. I just want to eventually get a thicker desk, something just a little bit more heavier to go along with the office. If anybody has any solutions to all these wires that are hanging out, some way we can disguise them, please let me know in the comments. So again, guys, this was just something simple. Just something that I wanted to share with you guys, and just let me know in the comments what you think about it. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.